Be a universal human being on earth. We are all reflections of the one consciousness that flows through us and expresses as love, as peace, as joy, as complete well-being and harmony with all life. We must learn how to participate with the Source consciousness and our beautiful Earth Mother to co-create in ways that support all life in thriving here. When we tune inside, we feel this deeper, broader aspect of who we truly are, and we come home to a feeling of unity and harmony within ourselves and with all life. No one is better or more valuable than another. We all have great value and meaning as unique expressions of this beautiful light. Free the mind of any limiting beliefs, of one being better than another, of any unworthiness, and feel enough in your own beautiful being. Take time to tune inside every day to your breath and to feel your connection to the oneness that flows through you, dear Mother Earth, and unifies all life. This awareness always feels like grace, humility, gratitude, and like coming home. It's so helpful to reconnect within groups and collectives to share practices that connect with the earth in loving, honoring, and grateful ways every day. We are created of and part of the earth. We are here to flow with the earth and each other in good ways. If we look back far enough in all of our lineages, we will find practices and traditions together in a circle, honoring the earth and all life. And these practices are deeply healing, connecting, grounding, and nourishing. Take time to nourish yourself every day. I like to enjoy being in nature, taking time for stillness, meditation, breath, art. Enjoy the practices that naturally energize and uplift you and connect you with who you truly are. It is time now to shine the benevolent light of our authentic being and encourage others to honor and shine their own beautiful lights. Together we can heal, evolve, and co-create inspired, harmonious realities with each other and dear Mother Earth. We are meant to dwell primarily in love, joy, delight, and creativity together. Let us begin within ourselves and shine the light of our being as love and unity in the world today. From the light in me to the light in you. Namaste.